Hi everyone, it's Jamie here from FX Learning and welcome to another episode with the Binary Destroyer. Now I'm just going to close these trades off now, okay? Hopefully it'll go, there we go. Right, now if you watch yesterday's video, you know I was talking about this 1 minute scalping strategy that one of our members is actually trading full time, and it absolutely fascinated me that he could scalp this well off the 1 minute chart, because I naturally just think, you know, people that are professional scalpers or traders that are doing trading, or especially Forex full time, they normally are on the higher time frames, you know, the 1 hour, 4 hour daily time frames. No one, look at that price dropped, absolutely missed that. You know, it's very rare that you will see scalpers scalping full time off the 1 minute time frame, because it can be very volatile, a lot of quick in and out trades. Now I've literally just been, if you watch yesterday's video, if you're just new to watching this, I suggest you watch yesterday's video, because it will basically give you a catch up on where we are with this video. Now I've been basically testing this live, trading this live all on demo today, and I'll just show you the incredible results I've had so far. So as you can see, I've literally had all greens, okay? When it loads up, look at all these, okay? Now some of these trades were stacked, but I got around 7 setups throughout the day, and every single one of them was a winner. I made pretty much a 9% gain on a £1,000 demo account. Like I said, this is only practice, but to be honest, absolutely incredible. As you'll notice, majority of these was USD Chef, which I've just took now. Now what I did was I waited for the price to cross over here, price to pull down, and I actually entered here, okay, thinking we had a signal. I thought, being me trying to get in before the signal hour actually appeared, I got in here, closed some trades here as the price came down, and then I re-entered, got our signal hour here, and then like I said, you just see me close these trades in a nice winner. Now as you can see, pretty simple strategy. Now I had another setup on gold, as you can see here. Gold crossed over initially here, and we're looking for the first green arrow, which was here, and as you can see, this one as well delivered a nice round 50 pips, which is not bad whatsoever. GPUSD is something I wouldn't trade. Price is just going sideways, so I wouldn't do that. EURUSD might pop a oh my god, look at USD Chef still dropping low. Look at that. You see, the thing about trading Forex, okay, is it's not necessarily where you enter the market. Is more to do with how you manage your trades. You know, whether you win or lose or are profitable with Forex, it really comes down to how you manage your trades. You know, where you set your stop loss, where you set your take profit, how you manage those trades. Do you use a trailing stop loss? Do you use a take profit that is greater than your stop loss? You know, it's all to do with those, because at the end of the day, you could have a 99% winning strategy, but if you have a stop loss that is, let's say, 100 pips, and your take profit is like 5 pips, you know, and you win 99% of those trades, that one loss you have can wipe out your entire account. So that's why majority of staying consistent with Forex trading is how you manage those trades. Now a good one obviously is to use something like a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, meaning something like have something like a, for instance, an 8 pip stop loss. Your take profit would also be an 8 pip take profit. So as you can see, this trade would have gone to 10 pips, so that would have been a nice 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. That's the sort of way you want to be trading Forex. Now USD CAD, again, oh, it might actually pop a signal here. In fact, let's enter this. This is going to be massively late, but I'm going to enter, okay, because I'm pretty confident we're on here. Okay, let's just sell. Right, there we go. What's my stop loss and take profit on this? Okay, I'm going to set a take profit of 50. Well, we'll just leave stop loss. I don't want a stop loss, so I'm going to leave that there. Okay, now I entered this way too early. As you can see, I should have entered on this green, on this red arrow here. But as you can see, we've got a nice crossover here. Price is now continuing down, so this is what I want to see. I might enter this close this trade very early, something like maybe 4 or 5 pips, but it's good that I showed you live as it's happening now. Now, you might occasionally get false sit-ups like this, okay? You notice how price has crossed over here, pulled up, and then we got our first signal arrow, and unfortunately that trade would have lost. Again, that's something you can't do with every strategy. You're going to have losses. It's how you manage those losses if you use a tight stop loss. Now, the way you can eliminate these losses is by just going over to the higher time frames and getting an idea of what's happening in the market. Now, as you can see, something like this is a currency pair that you should not really be trading, purely because look at that massive spike. Look at that big rejection wick here, and just notice how price has gone sideways. So maybe if I was trading this live, I wouldn't have took this signal, but I've got into this trade here. Hopefully this goes to at least a few pips, and then I can just kind of close that in profit. AUD USD, again, look at this nice signal here. Again, notice how we've crossed over. We got our first red arrow here. Again, you know, you could have had a stop loss of maybe 5 pips, and this trade would have gone to at least another 10 pips. Now, this is key with this strategy. This is key. You've got to use a tight stop loss. All right, there's no such thing as having like an open stop loss with 100 pip stop loss. Nothing like that. It's got to be tight, mainly next to this white moving average. And also, the good thing about this is you can capture large moves like this. For instance, AUD USD would have given us a nice move down. Also gold, look at gold here. If we'd entered here, for instance, this trade is just going into profit now. As we notice with gold here, okay, this made a nice move up. Now, like I said, it's to do with managing your trades. If you can manage this, okay, maybe use a trailing stop loss. Have a stop loss below the white moving average, and as the price goes into profit, you start to use a trailing stop loss and lock in those profits. Now, like I said, if you just capture a big move like this, you know, that's going to massively increase your percentage on your account. You know, let me see what's USD CAD saying. Now, USD CAD is USD CAD what I entered? Yeah, it was USD CAD. Hopefully this price pulls down ever so slightly. We are trending down, okay, which is in my favor at the minute. 5-minute charts is saying 5-minute charts is saying we're at a support area, but we have been pushing down for quite a while, so we might carry on pushing down by looking at the 5-minute charts. Just get an idea. You see what that wick's doing. Okay, you can see here, look, we had red, pull back, pull down, pull back. So we are going lower with every single candle. So hopefully this goes lower, and we can lock in maybe a couple of pips here. If not, like I said, if the price does go against me, okay, I might re-enter when the price comes back up to this zone. Again, this is another thing that we can use as well, entering 2 positions on this trade. So as you can see here, even though I entered late, if the price goes against me, I can re-enter again and then also look to take the trade down. Again, if the price does go above the white moving average, that would be where my stop loss would be, and I'd close the trade in a loss. USD Chef is again pulling back here before looking to drop. So I mean, that was a nice winner. Nothing really. I didn't anticipate to take another signal with this video, but I have done. So what I'm going to do, everyone, is I shall pause the video, okay, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes, and hopefully I can give you an update with this trade. So I'll be back. Hi everyone. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just going to close this position off at 2 pips. Now, yeah, as you can see, it's rather annoying because if I actually had entered on the arrow here, I would have got maybe around 6 or 7 pips, but unfortunately 2 pips is what it is. But yeah, as you can see, first real day trading this, and yeah, I've had an extremely good day with it. Like I said, I will be doing more videos on this next week, talking more about it with the BD members, and just genuinely having, you know, seeing how well it performs over a long period of time. So yes, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you have an awesome week. And if I don't see you on webinar Sunday, I will see you next Tuesday for another live video session. So yeah, thank you for watching.